and welcome to a new season. This is Karen and I'm really excited for today's video because we have an unboxing of something that's so wonderful. Angie from Hot&Flashy has just come out with a new set of brushes. Seven brushes for $125. It's in collaboration with BK. I'm going to unbox this for you so you can see at the same time that I do what these brushes are all about. Get to see it. Ooh, look. That's my corgi. Ignore him. All right, so we've got a darling little postcard here from Angie. Thank you so much for your order. My brush collection was inspired by you, my viewers, to help mature women look their most confident and beautiful. Really sweet. And then on the back, it talks about celebrate beauty inside and out. These are 100% cruelty-free, vegan fibers, more consistent fiber, less breakage, luxurious feel, flawless performance, superior pickup, and payoff. I'm gonna break this seal. And here they are, all in their beautiful little wraps. So the first one is an angled brush. If you go to her website, Hot&Flashy, she's done a complete tutorial on how to use all these brushes. Oh my goodness. This is the A507 brush. Beautiful. Yeah, that is lovely. Okay, this is for the face. The 06. So pretty, so soft. Oh my goodness. These are gonna be so much fun to play with. And you can see, this is a really unique shape. I haven't seen a brush like this before. All right. Then we have the 5 eye brushes. They're this beautiful gray. They're long handles. She said she specifically made the handles a little longer so that if you're reaching for them in your little container of brushes, you can find them easily. They have a slight shimmer in the color, which is really pretty. They're very attractive, and they are numbered from 1 to 5. So number 1 is the lid shader. A nice fluffy brush to get that initial lid color. Then we have the Crease Shader. She said she made these specifically to be super soft so that when you're using these in the crease, it will not pull and tug as much as some other brushes do. Then number 3 is your blender, and I have not seen a blender quite this big. This is great. Then we have the A504. This is the detailer brush, smaller. Then we have the A505. This is an angled brush, multitude of uses. This is a little bit stiffer, but still very, very soft. So that's the complete set. I will be using these in my future makeup videos, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and remember, just by being you, you are enough. Bye.